Hey guys, so this is the day 2 of our stay here in our Tagaytay Airbnb. And ngayon, meron akong mga reviews, yung masasabi ko lang sa experience namin ito. So number 1, value for money. Actually, this is the cheapest Airbnb place that we found on Airbnb. I mean, cheapest in our category, which is 3 adults and 1 infant na napili namin dun sa mga list namin, and it is so good, guys. Magandang value siya for money kasi as you can see naman, the ambience and the place is so pretty and nice. It's very clean. It has the facilities that we need, like the air conditioning, TV, with cable. It has very fast Wi-Fi as well. And okay din yung amenities niya sa CR. May hot and cold shower, may sink. So I would give this place a 5-star for its value for money or its price. On a Sunday at 2,995 pesos, and for us that's really good value. For convenience naman, this place, I could say it's very convenient. It's a little bit far off the Tagaytay mainland area kasi we had a little bit of traffic going here, so we were able to find other ways to get here, ibang ruta. Pero yung convenience niya, meron siyang McDonald's right in front of it, and meron din siyang 7-Eleven sa 3rd floor. So napakadali for us to buy load, to buy water, which is not provided in the Airbnb unit. And for comfort naman, as you can see, it's very comfortable. Yung bed niya is very comfortable. Yung day bed niya dun sa may sala also is very comfortable and big enough for another person. Yung maliit lang talaga yung unit, pero overall, parang kami naman, we had a very good, comfortable experience dito sa Airbnb na to. And when it comes to my specific, for my specific specification, oh my god, redundant. Kasi we are traveling, isang couple, we have another adult and our baby. So there are 3 adults and 1 baby. The place is so convenient for us, and for us, so good yung value for money niya. Kasi when you go to a hotel, wala siyang capability para magluto, alam mo yun, wala siya, you have to charge extra for another person. So it's a really good deal for us. Another thing na nagustuhan ko dito sa Airbnb experience namin sa Tagaytay, we are able to cook our own meals. Even though yesterday we ate outside for our lunch, kasi from Manila, pagdating mo sa Tagaytay, lunch agad. So we had our lunch outside, and also we had our merienda outside. But kanina on breakfast, we were able to cook our breakfast here na meron, complete na siya with amenities, induction cooker. Kami na lang, nagdala na lang kami ng baon namin from home, and we were able to have a very nice, big, healthy breakfast this morning. So ayun. And for for cons, ang masasabi ko lang na cons for this place is that, number 1, when we arrived, napakadaming tao sa lobby. That means napakaraming nag-Airbnb. It took a long time for us to see the caretaker. We waited around 30 to 1 hour to wait for her. Marami kasing tao, maraming traffic sa elevator, and the lobby area is not air-conditioned. So, medyo mainit while we are waiting, but it's a bit of a hiccup na lang. It's just a little bit of a hiccup for a place like this. It's so worth it still. Another one is that this place, as you can see, it has white curtains, so it is too bright. Masyadong maliwanag lang siya. We woke up at 7 and akala namin tanghali na kasi ang liwa-liwanag. So yun lang naman, maliliit lang na bagay about this place. But we love it overall. We think it's a very good value for money, and overall we think that nakasulit kami and we had a really nice experience, and this place is so Instagrammable. So we love our experience here at our Airbnb here in Tagaytay. So put on your comments down below if you have also experienced going for an Airbnb while staying here in Tagaytay. I would like to know your experience, and also like and subscribe to this channel. Hi baby! This is Baby Rivo. Like and subscribe our channel. Like and subscribe our channel, and we will see you guys on the next video. Bye! Usap. Dito, River. Look at the colorful pen. Say bye! Bye! Bye, guys!